Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm talking about buckwheat, and I have a list of foods divided up into different categories that are known to pair well with buckwheat. So if you're new to buckwheat, or if you're just looking for something a little different to do, some meal ideas, hopefully this will help. In the protein category, including legumes, nuts, and seeds, almonds go well with buckwheat, almond butter, beans in general, especially black beans, beef, Brazil nuts, cashews, chickpeas, eggs, and also egg whites, flax seeds, pine nuts, pork, sesame seeds, sesame sauce, tofu, and walnuts. In the way of vegetables, we have asparagus, bell peppers, cabbage, carrots, celery, Swiss chard, chives, garlic, ginger, kohlrabi, leeks, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, scallions, spinach, squash, tomatoes, root vegetables in general. In the way of fruits, apples go well with buckwheat, an apple cider or apple juice, bananas, berries, dates, dry fruits of all types, lemon, pears, and quinces. In the way of other grains and grain products, there's corn, cracked wheat, millet, pasta, polenta, and rice. In the way of dairy and non-dairy products, there's butter, cheese, ice cream, sour cream, and yogurt. In the other foods category, there is honey, maple syrup, oil, especially olive oil, soy sauce, stock, especially mushroom stock or vegetable stock, and also vanilla. Well, I do hope this helps to give you some new ideas for what to do with buckwheat. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.